We are now ready for the last step in this process, and that is to install the SDB for MySQL5. First we have to go in and uninstall SDB for MySQL4. So go to the control panel and add remove programs. Go down to SDB. There it is. And uninstall. This is the MySQL4 version of SDB. When completed, open the project folder, and you have number 2 SDB program, and here you have the MySQL5 version. Right click to unzip the folder and start the installation. It's next the whole way through. And we end up by clicking finish. A shortcut has been made to the desktop, and we can double click to start it. The first time the SDB program starts up, it can't find the database, so we need to insert the information. So click OK. And as you see, you have some more fields here. So localhost, because it's on this computer. Port 3306 is correct because we have moved it back to the original one. The user is root. There is no password, but the name of the database in this case was DNS Maputo. That should be correct, so I click save, and as before, administrator and no password. And the SDB has now started in MySQL5, and at the moment this is the latest version of this program. So now you just have to click a little bit around and check that everything is working as it's supposed to. And by now you have done everything that you need to do. All the points, all the plans, all the tasks and courses and status, everything has been converted from the MySQL4 into the MySQL5. So you are now ready to start to use the new SDB program.